Good morning, guys. I hope you are okay and having a very good well, when you see this it'll be Sunday. Today it's Saturday. A very good Sunday so far. I just woke up. It is 10 AM, which is the earliest I've woken up in a while. Usually I'm literally waking up at lunchtime, but I thought for the sake of the video I'd try and wake up a bit earlier. My hair looks rough. This clip isn't even holding anything in place anymore. As you can tell from the title, for today's video I'm going to be doing a vloggy style morning routine. So specifically what my morning routine has been like recently while I've been in lockdown. And obviously every day with my morning routine will be a bit different. Like I said, sometimes I'm waking up at 1 PM, sometimes I'm waking up early. I think I want to get up, lay my bed, brush my hair for sure. I think I want to do like a quick workout or some yoga just to make me feel a little bit more awake. And then I'm gonna get dressed, do my makeup, like some light everyday makeup, and oh yeah, make some breakfast obviously, and then we'll see where the morning takes us. I'm going to start off by making my bed. Put down Mr. TikTok. Where's Wilhelmina gone? Wilhelmina. Oh, there she is. Oh, lovely stuff. And I'm gonna also unplug my laptop. Voila. I laid my bed and now I'm going to do a little bit of skincare, show you guys what I'm using. My skincare routine in the morning is a lot more chill and simple than it is in the evening. In the morning, I like to keep things simple, so I'm gonna do that, and then I think I'm gonna do some yoga and then make some breakfast. I think I want like maybe like some cocoa porridge or maybe toast. One of the two. Hello MTV, welcome to my crib. I might brush my teeth first actually. I'm gonna brush my teeth, charcoal toothpaste. Didn't even know. Ah, wait. Renegade. Ooh, ha, ha. Wow, I'm a bit rusty. I need to learn some new dances. Didn't see you there. Now my teeth are minty fresh. In the morning I use eye cream, I moisturise and I wash my face. So to wash my face I use my favourite face wash ever, the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is literally the best thing if you're spot prone or acne prone. It's just great and it's really good for dry or sensitive skin. Really inexpensive as well in comparison to some other things. Massage it into my skin. You don't need very much either. Just use a wet flannel to take it off. I've not used this yet. I was sent it by Florence by Mills and it's their Look Alive Eye Balm, so I'm gonna do this. Oh, I like how it's kind of like cooling. Good for depuffing, which is what you need when you're tired. I actually just thought that I need to put my yoga stuff on because doing yoga in baggy pyjamas is just not the way. So I just walked downstairs and ran upstairs to get my yoga mat. The yoga gear is on. We've just got like a slouchy top and some workout leggings. I just found a 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch video, so I'm going to follow that and just do that. Got my yoga mat here. Where is it? Here, I'm sitting on it, and I don't want to do anything too strenuous, just want to get my body moving and ready to take on the day. So I'm going to put you guys down and put you guys down and get my stretch on.
Wanna move my feet, wanna Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
I have just done my workout yoga thingy and I do feel a lot more awake, which is good. I think I might just do my makeup and my clothing, get dressed now, because then I've got to go downstairs and make breakfast and then come back upstairs and get dressed. So I may as well just do it while I'm upstairs. I recently put up a get ready with me everyday makeup video for my last video, so check that out to see what I do for my makeup on an everyday basis, more in depth. I'm back. I've just got this Nike crop t-shirt, which I'll show you. I'll show you like a proper OTD when I go downstairs, and then I've just got these joggers from Urban Outfitters on. And then on Netflix, I'm going to put on... Should I watch something on Disney Plus? I might put on like a Disney Channel Disney film because they are literally the best. I'm just going to go for Wizards of Waverly Place, I think. Parent Trap! I'm going to put Parent Trap on. Parent Trap was literally is my favourite film. Extraordinary is even more than anyone that you adore and love. Tie my hair up because it was just easier. My bed is a bit of a mess, but I thought I'd quickly go through what I used on my face. Did some eyeliner, really light eye makeup, a couple of freckles. I used the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit on my lashes. The Fenty Beauty lip, are they like lip bombs? Gloss bomb in Diamond Milk, really like this. Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, Benefit Hydrating Professional, Benefit Air Stick Foundation. A little bit of this dabbed onto my lips, the Sleek Lip Dose in What Colour Are You? Controversy. I love this, but it can be a bit hard to use. It's the Ciate Stamp and Jag. I don't use the stamp side. It can, like, you can use the stamp to create a flick for your eyeliner, but I prefer to just do my own. Very happy with it. I think next week's video is going to be my night routine during lockdown, so let me know by liking this video if you want to see that. I quite enjoy doing it vloggy style because it just makes it a lot more fun, but I also do love doing the more like artistically shot videos where it's just all music. So okay, let's go downstairs. I'll also give you a little OOTD because my outfit's quite cute today and I love these socks so much. I got these Powerpuff Girl socks from Bershka. I've also got a blue pair and a green pair, but they're in the wash right now, so I'm wearing the pink ones. What is the name of the pink Powerpuff Girl?
I found this on the web.
Bubbles? It must be Blossom. There's Blossom, Bubbles and Buttercup. Oh, Buttercup's such a cute name. So I'm wearing this like retro cropped Nike top. These baggy tie-dye joggers from Le France, but I got them from Urban Outfitters. And you saw my socks, my cool socks. And I just decided to put some shoes on because I've literally not worn shoes for about nearly 2 months now. So I'm wearing... Actually, that's a lie, I have worn shoes, but it feels like 2 months. These Puma trainers that I've literally not worn yet, that I bought just before I went into hospital. Okay, so I've toasted my toast, I'm gonna butter that, and then I wanted to show you how I make a whipped coffee. You probably already know because it's a massive trend on TikTok right now. But in here, I've got a tablespoon of coffee, instant coffee, tablespoon, well I use less than a tablespoon because I find it too sweet, like half a tablespoon of sugar. You can come in, don't worry George, come on through. Dad's currently painting the kitchen. And a tablespoon of hot water. You can't even see it. Hello. So now I'm going to whisk this up till it's really like, I use an electric, hand whisks are just so long and just hurt my hands, so I use an electric, then just whisk this up till it's like a a thick cream-like texture, but I'll show you guys what that looks like. And you'll also need ice, milk of your choice, and a lovely cup to serve it in. Okay, let's go. It's actually crazy how this works. So now I'm gonna try and make this look presentable. Got our toast and our coffee. This is what it looks like when it's finished. It's basically like an iced latte but with foam. I don't know what that is. I think it's just stuck to the glass. I think it's a herb that's just dried to it. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this. And then I think that will be the end of the video. I keep forgetting I have makeup on, so every time I turn on the camera, I'm like, whoa. I've been trying to make a conscious effort to like eat in the conservatory when it's a nice day, because it just makes me feel a bit more positive and motivated when it's sunny. So this is a nice room to sit in and start the day. I'm gonna tuck in now because I'm starving.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town.
Mom! Yeah. Spot the Tanya. Spot the Tanya. Where's Tanya? Spot her in the garden. That's it for today's video, everyone. I have finished eating and I'm gonna sit here and chill and drink my coffee and then get on with my day. I think I'm gonna do some work and answer some emails and do some baking probably, as I'm doing most days, as you guys would have seen from my last lockdown vlog. I'll link that down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like this video to let me know that you are enjoying my vloggy style videos, because I really do want to do those more, as I've said in literally every video that I've done. I love you guys so much. I hope that staying at home for hours on end isn't driving you too crazy and you aren't super bored, which I know I am, but it's just so important to stay at home. So I'm just trying to occupy myself in lots of different ways, read lots of books that I never would have got the chance to, and just keep busy, I think, is key. But I really hope that you're doing okay, and I'm sending my love to you guys, and yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye everyone, see you in my next video.